this again. Okay, I just pray it's not heavy. Okay, now, sorry. Now, what do you do? Okay, we have not done another thing. We have not is downloaded the this thing, forest or grass. We say grass, grass. So go to images. So we need to grass like this. Something like this. Something like this. Then right click and say save image. But as also even say .png. .png. Let's say that we'll see the one see this one. Right click. We want to use this one. Let's see another one. Okay, probably this one. Right click. Save. Okay. All right. So trees. Let's go and download trees. .png. Okay. Go to images. Okay. I think I will like this one. Right click. Save. Okay. Then let me go again. Right click. Save. Okay. All right. Let's just right click. Save. All right. We are done. So now let's come here. I don't need this one now. I'll select it and delete. Okay. So now just we need the cloud. We need the cloud and we need the sky. So let's go. Let's go to install cloud. You see, any computer is not just here. You must as in you must be creative. PNG. So see the cloud. So images. So let's go for this one first. Let's click save image. Then, or we can even say sky. We can even just install sky. Sky. You see that? So the sky has a cloud already. Images. Then let me just use this one. Sky. So you see what I'm doing? I'm downloading. So whichever one. Let me see this one. Okay. Save. Okay. So let's just say we're done. Let me insert this one. So whether we are going to use this one. Okay. We're done. So now let's go back to PowerPoint. Under PowerPoint, go and bring that sky in. Click on insert. Click on picture. Picture. Click on picture. Then it will take you to where you downloaded all those files, all those tools. Then go to download. So under download, download. Now download. See this guy. So let's just use this one. Say insert. I only need one, so I just decided to install every other one. So I will this way. Then go to insert, go to shapes, then click on a rectangle, then draw the rectangle here. Then when you draw it, then go to hatch color. You go to color, pick color. Go and choose hatch square, just hatch. You know, we are assuming that the floor is hatch. So click on line, click on no line. So you have it this way. Okay. So let me make it done. Alright, are you there? So now go to insert, pictures, select all those things from the downloads. Now I want this tree, I want this one. So I'm holding down my shift key, my control key. I want this and I want this. So let me scroll. Okay, I'm okay. So you have all this. Now I'm having a problem here. You're going for mouse, Abby? You're going to mouse. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. I'll send the video. Not right there. So this one's now good, but this one, the background is still there. You see the background, so we have to remove the background. So delete. So let me set this one very well. So I'm going to set it. So let me reduce the. I hope you are learning. So have it that way. Then I can duplicate this one. Control D. I can bring it down here. So I have this. So now let me go back and remove the background for those ones. Remove background. So when you remove background now, just click here, upload. Then let me upload this file. I want this one. So it has removed it. And I say download. Then let me just say okay, let me just save. I will see it. Then another one, upload again. Upload again. So let's use this one. So alright. So download. Alright. So now go back to PowerPoint. Then go and insert. What? Okay, the recording. 8 minutes.